In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add product variants on Squarespace. This is an essential feature for anyone selling products with multiple options, such as sizes, colors, or materials. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to easily customize your product listings to better serve your customers. Let's get started by navigating to your Squarespace account. Once you're logged in, the first thing you'll want to do is locate the section for products and services. You can typically find this in the main menu, and this is your hub for managing all your product listings and related tasks. Clicking on this will open up a range of options. Next, you'll want to select products. This is where all your existing listings are housed. Browse through your list of products until you find the one you want to modify with additional variants. Click on this product to manage its details. Once you've selected the product, you'll need to locate the section labeled Variants. This section is crucial because it's where you'll be able to manage the different options available for your product. It's usually found within the product's main details page. After locating the Variants section, you'll see an option to edit all. Clicking this gives you the flexibility to modify all existing variants and their details. This includes options like adding new colors, sizes, or other characteristics that are relevant to your product offerings. Now you'll want to go ahead and click on Manage Options. This step takes you deeper into the customization process where you can add or remove options as needed. For instance, if you're selling a t-shirt, this is where you could add sizes like small, medium, and large, or even colors like red, blue, and green. In this section, you will be able to edit your options to accurately reflect the different variants of your product. Pay close attention to the details you enter here, as they will directly affect how your products are displayed to potential buyers. Be sure to carefully input the exact names and properties of your new variants. Double check your entries to ensure everything is correct. Once you're satisfied with your choices and you've thoroughly reviewed all the information you've entered, it's crucial to save your work. Look for the Save button, which is typically located toward the bottom or top corner of the page, and click it. This will ensure that all your changes are updated on your site, making the new product variants visible to your customers immediately. And there you have it, your new product variants are successfully added to your Squarespace site. With these options in place, you can offer more customized choices to your buyers, enhancing their shopping experience. As you continue to explore and refine your offerings, you'll find that managing product variants becomes even easier. Thank you for watching and happy selling.